What's up, everybody? So, I'm Tortuga Dragon, and today I will be opening up 6 packs of Pokemon cards and showing you guys what I got in each pack. So the first one, I can't remember his name. I'm horrible with the Sword and Shield Pokemon. This is the first pack I'll be opening today. So in this first pack, we have the new Galarian Corsola, which is actually cool, it being Ghost type and Pokemon Sword and Shield. Then the original fluffy Pokemon, Snorlax. And I have to readjust my camera because it's not exactly the best today. And the last one is the Beware. There it goes. That's a lot better. So that is from the first pack of Pokemon cards today. Next one will be from the, I can't remember his name, but I always want to call him James Pond for some reason. Now this one's definitely one of my favorite Pokemon, Growlithe. Cool little fire Pokemon. That, and I always kind of like that the Officer Jenny and Pokemon have them, or at least in the games. Just a random fighting energy. Definitely useful when playing the trading card game. And then this Siglefy, I think it's how you pronounce it. I'm horrible at pronouncing. And that was from this pack of cards. And then I think his name is Cadence or something like that. For some reason, it always reminded me of that one bunny from Digimon Season 3. Now the first one from this pack is a Wingull. Have to love them seagulls. Or at least not in cities, you don't. And then we get the other lovely bird Pokemon that we always get in the Pokemon games. And then the last one is one of the perfect ones for Halloween time. Gotta love the ghost Pokemons. Then another one of these electric rocker dudes. And these are all from the Sword and Shield Rebel Clash Pokemon cards. And apparently I can't get this one open. Oops. Got one of these little imp dudes. Imp-a-dimp. Interesting name for it. And then this fighting bunny from Gen 7, I think it was, Bunnelby. Bunnies are always kind of cool. Last one is one of my favorite insect Pokemon, Heracross. I remember in the older Pokemon, Ash's Bulbasaur never really liked his Heracross because it always messed with him and try and get the sap out of his plant on his back. And then we got the drummer drummer starter. Always thought it was kind of cool. Second favorite starter after this one. Definitely one of my favorite water Pokemon for sure. There's a lot of cool Pokemon in the games. Which, speaking of them, I need to eventually finish Sword and Shield. I'm just not having luck with these card plastics today. Or card cases. On the plus side, this one didn't get nearly as messed up in opening it. Alright, the first one from his pack is Voltorb. Or the fake Pokeball in the older games that half the time would always get zapped when trying to pick up what I thought was an item, especially in the power plant. Next one in the pack is Nosepass. Interesting little rock Pokemon. And finally, one of my favorite new dragons in the game. That's pretty fast. They can fly in the games, 120 miles per hour. There's some pretty cool Pokemon in this pack. And then one more pack of the James Bond of Pokemon. Alright, just a random metal energy in this pack. Again, always useful for playing the trading card game. Then we got this new little poison dragon dude from Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon, I think it was. Or maybe it was in Sword and Shield, I can't remember now. It's been a while since I played either of them. And then the final one is Bronzor. Kind of cool Pokemon, although I always like Beldum and Metacross and Metang a little bit more. Hey, thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more stuff like this in the future.